Marshi, this question is about the nature of enlightenment. It asks, what exactly is enlightenment? Is it the same as whole brain functioning, or is it something else?
It's the whole brain functioning, but we add that one more thing to it. Fully developed whole brain functioning. A child's brain, small, a man 10 years, 20 years, something, 25 years, then it is fully developed. Full development of the brain can touch cosmic level of creativity of natural law. Cosmic level of creativity of natural law available to human awareness is the state of enlightenment. This, in short, we can have a glimpse of enlightenment in the conscious awareness of the source of thought. Source of thought, from where intelligence becomes creative intelligence. On that level is the level of enlightenment. On that level is the utilization or the existence of total natural law. On that level, the whole field of enlightenment is to make our awareness known to that level, the source of thought, so that any thought that rises has the total intelligence of natural law, that means cosmic level of natural law in every thought. Cosmic level of thought functioning is the functioning from the level of enlightenment, and that will mean absolutely no mistake, that is one thing, but absolutely all possibility lively in every thought. All possibility lively in every thought, that is the state of enlightenment in which man will not make mistakes, man will hit high from the most supreme level of intelligence. He will be thinking, speaking, behaving, all those values from that fully enlightened awareness on a permanent basis. It is from there that I am totality, Aham Brahmasmi, all these beautiful exhortations about the supreme level of individual life on the level of cosmic life, individual, a cosmic individual. And that is the state of enlightenment, where every thought has the support of natural law. That is our strength, that knowledge of educating the awareness of the people to become familiar with their own source of thought, the level of their intelligence to open to conscious awareness. That is the program of gaining enlightenment. These groups of Vedic pandits and these groups of peace-creating groups everywhere in the world will be practicing that value, the source of thought, which will capture total potential of creativity of natural law. And then the world will be a purified world. All these dust and dirt of dark ages will disappear and a new world created. No? That is our field. That is our field. We are experts in educating the people for enlightenment through very simple, all these programs, transcendental meditation and CD program and all that flying, are very simple procedures. That is our strength to recreate an ideal world. That is it. It's a beautiful question you raised.